Hello everyone, once again welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to start integrals, which is also known as integration. Integration, this is a 7th chapter of NCERT of class 12th and it's a huge chapter. There are total 11 exercises in NCERT. Okay, so students find this chapter a little bit difficult to understand, but from my point of view, I think this is not a difficult chapter. If once you start studying integration, you will find that every concept is easy. But since there are 11 exercises, so it means there are many concepts to learn, to understand, right? There are more than 50-60 formulas in integration that you will have to cram. There are many tricks. There are different types of question where you will have to remember the trick. Without trick, you won't be able to solve the questions. So it becomes very difficult for student to retain all these concepts, formulas and tricks, and that's why this become difficult. Okay, so guys, as I said, this is a big chapter, so I'm starting a series of videos on integration. Okay, and this is the first video which is dedicated to basics of integration. This is the introduction video where I will tell you about what is the meaning of integration. Okay, so let's get started. When we talk about integration, I think the literal meaning of integration, this is summation, addition, right? There are two types of integration. The one is, first is indefinite integral, and the second is definite integral. So this chapter is divided in two parts. The first part is indefinite and the second part is definite, right? The meaning of indefinite, this represent antiderivative of a function, which is also known as primitive, right? And this definite integral part, this represents area under the curve, okay? So in this video we will talk about indefinite integral. Okay guys, you all know that suppose there is a function y, right? When we differentiate this function with respect to x, when we differentiate this y with respect to x, we find dy by dx. This dy by dx is representing the rate of change in y with respect to change in x, and we can also say this is representing slope in terms of x and y, right? So once when we differentiate y, we find dy by dx. The procedure from going from y to dy by dx, this procedure is known as derivative. So in integration, we are talking about the reverse process, getting y from dy by dx. See, getting dy by dx from y, this procedure is differentiation, derivative, right? And getting y from dy by dx, this reverse procedure, this is integration. For example, as you all know that the derivative of x square, what is the derivative of x square? So this is 2x, this is 2x, right? So what is the integration of 2x? So you will say this is x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. So the integration of 2x will be x square. Similarly guys, let's say we are given a function sin x and we know that the differentiation of sin x, this is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, so what will be the integration of cos x? So you will say this is sin x. Sin x का differentiation cos का integration will be sin. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in this entire chapter. हमें एक function दिया गया होगा और हमें उसका integration find करना होगा. Okay, अब guys हम इसे represent कैसे करें? हम इसको represent कैसे करें बच्चे? For differentiation, like suppose we are interested in finding the differentiation of x square, then we will write dy dx of x square. right? And the answer will be 2x. So the differentiation of x square is 2x, then integration of 2x will be x square. So इसको रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करें? So देखिए, आप लिखेंगे 2x, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, और उसके आगे लिखना है dx. देखिए डिफरेंशिएशन में dx विल बी इन डिनोमिनेटर, और इंटीग्रेशन में dx देखो यहां हमारा ये न्यूमरेटर में आता है, राइट? सो 2x का इंटीग्रेशन ये हमारा बन जाएगा x स्क्वायर, ये हमारा बन जाएगा बेटा x स्क्वायर. ओके, सो सपोज sin x का डिफरेंशिएशन, sin x का डिफरेंशिएशन, sin x का differentiation, the differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, so what will be the integration of cos x? तो आप आंसर करेंगे sin x. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos x, तो आपने आंसर करना है sin x. ओके, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, cos dx और इक्वल टू में sin x. ओके, ये जो सिंबल है एक्चुअल में ये सिग्मा का सिंबल है. सिग्मा, सिग्मा आप जानते हैं ना, ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है क्या? समेशन. और ये समेशन रिप्रेजेंट करता है इन डिस्क्रीट सीरीज. ये समेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है इन डिस्क्रीट सीरीज. ये जो सिग्मा है, ये कंटीन्यूअस सीरीज के लिए यूज किया जाता है. फॉर डिस्क्रीट हम ये वाला सिग्मा यूज करते हैं, फॉर कंटीन्यूअस हम ये वाला सिग्मा यूज करते हैं. फिलहाल आप ये याद रखिए कि अगर हमें इंटीग्रेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो ये कुछ इस प्रकार का सिंबल हम यहाँ पे यूज करने वाले हैं. ओके, राइट. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट यू नीड टू नो, जब भी हम इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे तो इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद उसमें ना एक आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट ऐड करना पड़ता है. एक आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट हमें ऐड करना पड़ता है. लाइक द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2x विल बी x square plus k. व्हाई? द रीजन इज, व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x square plus k? What is the derivative of x square plus k? The answer will be, the derivative of x square will be 2x and the derivative of constant k will be 0. Right? हमने यहाँ पे simply क्या लिखा? 2x लिखा. Okay? What is the integration of x square plus 1? Again, the answer will be same. What is the integration of x square plus 2? Again, the answer will be same. 2x. तो x square के साथ में यहाँ पर कोई भी constant आ जाए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, उस कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाता है, और x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x बन जाता है और उस कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाता है. तो गाइस सोचिए, अगर इसको डिफरेंशिएट किया तो हमें वो मिला, तो उसको इंटीग्रेट करूंगा तो हमें ये मिलना चाहिए, ये मिलना चाहिए, ये मिलना चाहिए, राइट? अगर हम x स्क्वायर को इंटीग्रेट करें, अगर हम 2x को इंटीग्रेट करें तो x स्क्वायर तो मिलेगा, बट साथ में हमें एक कांस्टेंट k भी इधर मिलना चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई हम उसके लिए एक आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट k ऐड कर दिया करते हैं, एंड दिस कांस्टेंट k रिप्रेजेंट एवरी रियल नंबर. लाइक द वैल्यू ऑफ k कैन बी 1, 2, 3, 4, -5, -6, -7. दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग ऑल द कांस्टेंट्स. ओके, दिस k कैन बी एनी रियल नंबर. Similarly, the derivative of sin x is cos, then the integration of cos will be, the integration of cos will be sin x, and after the integration we will have to add an arbitrary constant k in the final result. Okay, final answer. So guys, this is integration. Whenever we have to integrate a function, so after the integration we will add an arbitrary constant k. Okay, in NCERT you will find they add c. You can write any constant, like you can also write here like a, b, c. It's up to you. मुझे यहाँ पर k लिखने की आदत है. Okay, okay. So guys, now हमें ये पता चल चुका है कि इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है. इंटीग्रेशन का मीनिंग क्या है? दिस इज द रिवर्स प्रोसीजर ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन. दिस इज एंटी डेरिवेटिव. व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन? इंटीग्रेशन इज अ रिवर्स प्रोसीजर ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन. दिस इज द रिवर्स प्रोसीजर ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स. ओके, सो अब बारी आती है कुछ फॉर्मूले याद करने की. देखिए, आपसे अगर बोला जाए कि x की पावर में है n+1 अपॉन में है n+1 प्लस में है k, राइट, and suppose we have to find dy by dx. So guys, in this situation, as you can see, this n+1 is a constant part. Okay, in numerator x is variable and the power of x n+1, this is constant. So you know the basic formula of differentiation, like whenever we are given a variable with a constant power, then for differentiation we simply bring 2 ahead of x and 1 will be subtracted from the power. Okay, so this 2x is the differentiation of x square. Okay, similarly we are going to write first of all n+1, then it will be multiplied by x and the power of x will be n+1 and 1 will be subtracted from its power. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास only बचेगा n. When n+1 से हम एक subtract करेंगे तो हमारे पास only बचेगा n, and guys the derivative of constant k will be 0. So ये n+1 से ये n+1 will be cancelled out और हमारे पास बचेगा only x की पावर में n. So guys, आप यहाँ पर क्या समझे? आप समझे कि x की पावर में n+1 अपॉन में n+1 plus k. If we differentiate this function, then we will find x to the power n. If we differentiate this expression, then we'll get x to the power n. Okay, so now reverse procedure. What will be the integration of x to the power n? The answer is this. What is the integration of x to the power n? If the differentiation of this function is this, then integration of that function will be this. x to the power n का इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो ये हमें मिलेगा x की पावर में n+1 अपॉन में n+1 प्लस arbitrary constant k. And guys, this is the very first formula of integration. So now we can solve questions on this property, this formula. Like suppose we are given what is the integration of x square. By using this formula, we will have to add 1 on the power of x. Like this n will become n+1. Okay, so जब इस 2 में 1 प्लस करेंगे, so ये बन जाएगा 3, and in denominator हमें यहाँ पर भी 3 लिखना पड़ेगा plus k. Okay, suppose we have x to the power 10, so we will have to add 1 in the power of x, so it will become 11, and in denominator we will write 11 plus k. Okay, whatever is the power of x will be written in the denominator. Like power of x is 3, so 3 will be written in denominator. Suppose we have root x. Suppose we have root x. Okay, so for root x, the power of x is 1/2, and when 1 is added in 1/2, so this becomes 3/2. So x की power में 1/2, using this formula, the new power of x will be 3/2, and in denominator we will have to write 3/2 plus k, right? Okay, and suppose we have an expression 1 upon x cube. So ये जो x है इसकी पावर 3 है. अगर इस x को न्यूमरेटर में ट्रांसफर कर दें तो the power of x will become -3. Okay, so now we can add 1 in -3, so the new power of x will be -2, and in denominator we will have to write -2 plus k. Okay, and we can also simplify this expression. -2 will be in denominator, और ये जो x की पावर में -2 है ये डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा, so पावर इसकी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी, right? Okay, so guys, all these questions were based on this property. Okay, so there are some other formulas that you need to know, that you should know. What is the differentiation of log mod x? What is the differentiation of log mod x? The answer is 1 upon x. The answer is 1 upon x. Okay, so what will be the integration of 1 upon x? The answer will be log x. Okay, So as a formula, you need to know that whenever you are asked the integration of 1 upon x, then you will have to write log mod x, and after the integration you will have to add k in log x, which is an arbitrary constant which represent all the real numbers. Okay, what is the differentiation of e to the power x? What is the differentiation of e to the power x? The answer is e to the power x. So integration of e to the power x, again it will be same. So this is the second formula, ex plus k. Okay, right. What is the differentiation of a to the power x upon log a? Differentiation of a to the power x upon log a. Answer is e to the power x into log a upon log a. This log a will be cancelled out with log a. Okay, so a to the power x upon log a का हम अगर डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो डेरिवेटिव हमारा बनेगा a की पावर x. ओके, सो a की पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन ये हो जाएगा. सो ये एक नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला है जो आपको याद रखना है. a की पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन होता है a की पावर x अपॉन लॉग a प्लस के. राइट. ओके, अगर आपसे बोला जाए कि साइन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या, तो आंसर इज कॉस. तो कॉस का इंटीग्रेशन क्या, तो आंसर इज साइन. ओके, कॉस का इंटीग्रेशन इज साइन एक्स प्लस के. What is the differentiation of cos? What is the differentiation of cos? The differentiation of cos is minus sin x. Okay. So what should be the differentiation of minus cos? The answer is plus sin x. Right? अगर minus cos को differentiate करोगे तो हमें plus का sin x मिलेगा. Okay. तो उस sin का integration क्या हो जाएगा? तो आप बोलेंगे कि सर साइन का इंटीग्रेशन होगा माइनस कॉस एक्स प्लस के. ओके ओके सर, अगर वहीं आपसे बोला जाए कि tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है, तो आप कहेंगे सर कि ये sec स्क्वायर x होता है. तो sec स्क्वायर x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, तो आप कह देंगे सर कि ये tan x होगा. तो sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन विल बी tan x plus k. Okay, and similarly the integration of cosec square x, will be minus cot x plus k. Okay, right. What is the differentiation of sec x? Differentiation of sec x, this is sec x into tan x. Okay, so then what will be the integration of sec x tan x? The answer is sec x. So next formula that you need to learn, that you need to remember, integration of sec x into tan x. This is sec x plus k, and similarly the integration of cosec x into cot x will be minus cosec x plus k. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So ये 10 फॉर्मूलेज आपको याद करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, okay, so guys, let's have a question. Like we have to integrate root x plus 1 upon root x to the power 2. Suppose we have to integrate this. Okay, So we'll say first of all we need to apply the formula of a plus b to the whole square. So this will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So square of root x is x, 1 upon root x का square will be 1 by x, और root x से root x कैंसिल होगा. So ये कुछ इतना हमारे पास बचेगा. ओके, अब यहाँ पर मैं आपको बता दूं कि जैसे x का डेरिवेटिव करते हो तो क्या आता है, 1 आता है. तो 1 का इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो x आ जाएगा. अगर कभी भी 1 का इंटीग्रेशन पूछा जाए तो आप x प्लस के यहां पर आंसर कर सकते हैं, x प्लस के, राइट. सो गाइज अब जरा देखिएगा, मैं इस इंटीग्रेशन के सिंबल को अंदर भेज देता हूं. ये इंटीग्रेशन का सिंबल x के साथ आ जाएगा, यही इंटीग्रेशन का सिंबल 1 बाई एक्स के साथ भी आ जाएगा, और ये 2 के साथ भी आ जाएगा. इस 2 को आप बाहर ला सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ ये जो x है, इस x का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, 1 अपॉन x का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा log mod x प्लस 2, 1 का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा x प्लस में हमें मिल जाएगा k, 1 का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा x. ठीक है, 1 x का देखो x की पावर में 1 है तो इंटीग्रेशन क्या करेंगे, पावर में एक ऐड किया, अपॉन में भी 2. 1 अपॉन x का हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने फॉर्मूला इसका याद किया था, 2 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x प्लस में k. ओके, सिमिलरली गाइस सपोज वी हैव 2x क्यूब प्लस 3x plus 5x plus 3. Suppose we have to integrate this expression. Okay, so first of all we will separate them. First of all integration of 2x cube, then integration of 3x square, then integration of 5x, then integration of 6. Once they are separated, this constant will come out of integration sign. ये 2 बाहर अगर आएगा तो क्या बनेगा, 2 बाहर आ गया, 3 भी बाहर, 5 को भी बाहर ले आइए, 6 भी बाहर आ जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन इंटीग्रेट दिस पार्ट. एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन एक्स क्यूब बाई 3, एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन एक्स क्यूब, ओ यहाँ पे मिस्टेक कर दी मैंने, दिस इज 3, सो ये बन जाएगा x की पावर 4 अपॉन 4, x का क्यूब अपॉन 3, x की पावर में 1 है तो इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, पावर में एक ऐड कर लेंगे, अपॉन में 2, 6, एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 विल बी x, राइट. ये हमारा कंप्लीट इंटीग्रेशन यहाँ पर हो जाता है. गाइस सपोज सम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस आर गिवन देयर, लाइक वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट 1, suppose we have to integrate 5 minus sin x upon cos square x. Then in this situation we can write this as 5 by cos square x, then sin x upon cos square x. We have separated them. This cos square will go in numerator, so this 1 by cos, the value is sec x, so this will become sec square x. Sin by cos tan x, still there is one cos in denominator, when it will go in numerator it will become sec x. So sin by cos square is 10 by 10 into sec. Okay, so now 5 is constant, this will come out of integration sign, and the integration of sec square x is 10x. The integration of 10x into sec x, integration of sec x into tan x, answer is sec x. Okay, sec x plus k. Suppose we have to integrate sin square upon cos square, sin square upon cos square. So now sin square upon cos square can be written as tan square x, and we do not have any direct formula to integrate tan square x, right? We have the formula for sec square cos x square sec x into tan x cosec x into cot x, but tan square के लिए कोई डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला हमारे पास नहीं है. So in this situation we will use a class 10th identity, that sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So the value of tan square x will be sec square x minus 1, and now we can integrate sec square x. This is tan x. Integration of 1 will be x plus k. Similarly guys, we can integrate cot square x. Like we can write this as cosec square x minus 1, and we know the integration of cosec square x. This is minus cot x minus x plus k. Okay. Suppose guys we have a question. Let's say root x is multiplied with x square plus 1. So like differentiation, we do not have any product rule in integration. Neither we have any quotient rule. So in this situation, we will multiply this root x with x square and 1. The meaning of root x, this is x to the power 1 by 2, and this will be multiplied with x square. This will be multiplied with 1. So for same base, their power will be added. 1 by 2 will be added in 2. So this will become 5 by 2, 1 by 2. And now we can integrate this expression, like 1 will be added in the power of x, like 5 by 2 plus 1, and this will become 7 by 2, and in denominator we will have 7 by 2. Similarly in x to the power 1 by 2, when 1 is added in the power of x, this becomes 3 by 2, and in denominator we will have 3 by 2. Okay, and similarly suppose a function is given like we have to integrate x plus 1 upon root x, x plus 1 upon root x. Then in this situation, x and 1, they both will have root x in their denominator. Okay, the power of x is 1, in denominator the power of x is 1 by 2. Okay, they are in division and their base is same, so their power will be subtracted. 1 minus 1 by 2, x to the power minus 1 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So guys, this is all about basics of integration. We have seen all the formulas of integration, like basic formulas. Okay, so now moving forward, the next topic will be the methods of integration, and in methods of integration in next video we will discuss about substitution method. Okay, so I'll see you in next video. Take care.